So what is up, guys? Today I will be doing a sort of custom slash restoration on these. The white is a little messed up. I don't know. Yeah, the camera's dead picking this up. The white and the black could be using a repaint, but I'm gonna use regular black on the midsole right here, and then for the gray part, I'm just gonna throw some cement gray on that, or yeah, cement gray. I know it's not the original gray, but I don't have the other gray, so I'm gonna time lapse it. And here we go. Okay guys, that was only part one of the restoration. I'm gonna try and zoom in on the camera. Part two will have to do with fixing the midsole completely and fixing that white so it's not in the best condition. Now this shoe I think is the best condition, except those laces have painted tips. So yeah, stay tuned for part two, guys. It's your boy OG Kicks, and I'm out.
Just caught the coupe, it came with twin turbo. Diamonds round my necklace, singing like they Kirko. Ooh, Thugger got me swung, got drinking on it purple. And I got them billionaires in my circle. Yeah. So you know I'm thinking back up in the Rarri. I got old money like when I played Atari. Counted me $1 million on my DVD. For real. Cocaine, I got recipe. For real. Really making jewels, I was serving. Cash money, nigga, I know bird, man.
Thank you for watching. It's your boy OG Kicks, and I did a little on-foot review for you guys at the end. Now, please remember that this is only part one, not part two. Part two and part three in the end will come soon, don't worry. But I will have a little bit of kicks and more kick reviews and things like that in the middle. Later on, I might do a podcast on the Maroon 6s today, because they had just released today. So I'm going to do a podcast on that later, but part one and part two and part three are all going to be separated into different videos. So stay tuned. Make sure you have me as notifications, subscribe, like, share, do whatever you need to do. Just get me out there. Thank you guys. OG Kicks out. Peace.